Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch different applications on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV from your phone. So you can see I can start different applications just through this. So I can press YouTube, I'll launch YouTube. I can go to something like the internet right here. I can open up the internet real quick as well. So I can just launch everything through my phone real quick. And it just switches. So this is awesome app. So this is the Fire TV app. So if you go to the Google Play Store right here, just go on down to search. Now I'll get this out of the background. And when you go to search, just type in Fire TV and get the Amazon Fire TV app right here. And it will allow you to connect your Fire Stick to your phone, where we can use the remote on here too. You just have to type in a simple code. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network though. So if you have your Fire TV up, just make sure you're connected to the same network right there. And we can control everything just from our phone. We got a keyboard, we got a microphone on here. I'm not sure what this is. This is the three little dots thing. Touchpad vibration, okay. So we can just go to this little box right here. And then we can start launching different applications through here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.